So Sam, what we are doing today?
Okay. So we are basically interviewing our seniors and like awesome faculty to ask them what is fashion for them, what fashion means to them. So I am Samaksh Basin.
I'm Shravani. I'm Durva. I'm Lakshata.
I'm Anubhav.
So,
So what's fashion for you?
What's fashion for me?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. So fashion for me is like a lot of times like fashion gives me confidence, like how I dress myself, how fashion is also like how you carry yourself.
And what's
For
fashion
me-
for you in one line? Quick.
For me, fashion is like expressing yourself and being comfortable.
And for you?
For me, fashion is exploring new things and finding out what your actual style is.
Yeah.
For you?
me, fashion is like feeling confident in yourself and feeling comfortable.
Okay, so Anubhav, आप हमें बहुत देर से record कर रहे हो. What is fashion for you?
So for fashion, for me, it's like identity.
सर आपके लिए फैशन क्या है? आपके लिए कपड़ों का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, लाइक अपने स्टाइल का?
The different style and fashion, it varies from state to state, culture to culture. So fashion varies, but if you see our Indian history, we have a tradition of best fashion, but we have adopted the fashion from the West.
West.
That's the very sad part of it. Most of the Indian, we are lacking that how colors affect our brain, how lines affect our brain. We lack that thing. We have not been educated in that way since the childhood. How colors play very important role in our life. That goes with the fashion, but you should know this thing. I will teach you that here.
Yeah. Ah, thank you so much, sir. Come on, come on. So what is fashion for you? Let's keep doing that. It would look cool in the video.
So fashion for me is anything which is comfortable and I feel attractive in.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very cool. Thank you for that answer. And for you?
For me, fashion is me trying something new.
What is fashion for you? Come on.
अरे यार, for me fashion is comfort. Like everyone have their own comfort and style, and it's something new.
Okay. So Stella, what is fashion for you?
Fashion for me is anything that is upcoming, trends या फिर कोई भी personalized style या फिर कुछ भी जो हम देख रहे हैं और फिर वो ट्रेंड में आ रहा है, मेरे लिए वो उस टाइम के लिए फैशन है.
Hey! Wait, yeah. What is fashion for you?
First thing, comfort, identification. Whatever you're wearing, it should be you, not like someone else. And third thing is like a confidence for me.
Damn. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Two questions. What is fashion for you?
I think fashion is something self-expressive. It's about personality. Fashion is, I would say, generic, but in a like अगर expressive होना है, तो I think there's an element called style that comes in between. And in order to express yourself, style is the only thing that can define you, that can define your personality. So yeah, it's about basically liberation.
Okay. That answer is second one. Thank you so much. आप जा सकते हो. What is fashion for you guys?
मुझे लगता है फैशन इज ऑल अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस, सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन. मतलब फैशन फॉलो करने से क्या होता है कि कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है. और मतलब कि जैसा क्या बोलोगे बस.
What is fashion for you?
Different perspective, different designs, different silhouettes. It's just about what people like. It's not about ki I like Indian wear, you like Western wear. It's just about what is your perspective, what is comfortable to you. That's it.
That's
It's
a
a
really
mark.
good answer. Like one of the best we ever got until. Fashion क्या है आपके लिए?
आपको भी क्या बनना है ना, मैं वही करूँ.
So your drip looks really good. Like hip hop. Let's party. So tell me, what is fashion for you?
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle. Okay. So what is fashion for you?
I think fashion is a sense of style that everyone needs to follow, I guess.
Okay. What is fashion for you?
Fashion for me is like we can express ourselves through our clothing, like wearing losing fit, like it's a common trend now. We can express ourselves.
Just what?
Fashion basics by Yan.
No. Hi Tisha, what is fashion for you?
Fashion for me is expressing yourself. Yeah.
Expressing
And being
yourself.
comfortable in your own self. Trying to dress up in a way that represents your personality, which represents myself. Yeah.
That was a great answer, guys. Thank you so much. Hi, Conan ma'am. What is fashion for you?
So in short, it's like at a certain point of time, how you or the people around you are putting themselves up. Cool.
That was a great answer.
Thank you.
so much. So, what is fashion for you?
Fashion is my attire according to the should be according to fashion, and fashion is my taste. Okay, if I have a taste, so according to my taste, the color should be there in my clothes. So style is there, design should be according to my taste. So this is fashion.
Thank you so much.
That's so
That
simple.
was a great answer. So thank you. Hi. So we wanted to ask you, what is fashion for you? Sir, please answer that question. Sir, will you please answer? Okay. So.